Kishor Sridhar.
How do we sell? How do we sell? We go there, our machine can do this in this time for this money, hooray, and the competitor's machine, yeah, ours is better. What does it mean, being better? What is behind it? Then you will understand why your colleagues are doing sometimes some unreasonable stuff, why your kids are doing some unreasonable stuff, why you're doing it, and why your customers are doing it. But this is not in our industry. Here it's only about money, only about the cheapest price. So I asked, honestly, do you really believe that some CEO one morning wakes up and says, we need 100 cheap cars for our company, 100 cheap cars, Mercedes? Surely not. Because there's another aspect, why they choose Mercedes.